Honorable former Minister of Government of Singapore, Honorable Minister Mr. Kamal Nath, other dignitaries on the dais, and delegates. Very good morning to all of you. 2 days ago, when I changed my program to come here and I said that I'm going to arrive today morning, the coordinators told me that it's too tight. You may have to walk into this conference room straight from the airport. I landed today at 7:30 at the airport. 8:15, I was in my hotel room. I managed half an hour of sleep, breakfast, and I'm here with you, all of you. And that's efficiency. That's efficiency of urban infrastructure. That's what we aspire in other cities in India, to build new infrastructure, new cities. I have a small presentation on a project that we are building in India. Just to introduce ourselves, ILFS is a large financial institution and infrastructure developer in India, promoted by the leading banks and institutions in India. And we have developed infrastructure across sectors, and we desire to build large cities and new urban spaces for India. Right now, we have 4 or 5 very ambitious projects. One of them is Gujarat International Finance Tech City. This is a project being developed in Gujarat. The second one is a model economic township. This is an industrial township being developed near Delhi. This is in joint venture with Reliance Industries and Government of Haryana. We are also building education city in Bhutan. This is a 1,000-acre project for promoting educational institutions in Bhutan. We are also developing a very large special economic zone in Mangalore. And we are also developing a port-based township in Gujarat in Gulf of Kutch. Now, this is a project that we are building in Gujarat. This is the architect's vision that we would like to build. And this is a project conceptualized to promote financial services and information technology businesses in Gujarat. This project is located between Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. Ahmedabad is the commercial capital of Gujarat, and Gandhinagar is the administrative capital. This project is located in between the two. The project is promoted as a public-private partnership between Government of Gujarat and ILFS. The Government of Gujarat brings land, it brings infrastructure and external connectivity, it facilitates approvals, and ILFS brings its infrastructure experience and mobilizes private finance for building the infrastructure in the city. The project is very strategically located. It's 12 kilometers from the airport. It's about 20 kilometers from the commercial hub of Gujarat. It has excellent connectivity and very good infrastructure and the political commitment and support from the state government. The project offers many advantages. As my colleague mentioned, that we have a lot of demand for building urban spaces. India's urban population will grow by almost 1.7 times in next 20 years. And our urban middle class will grow by 4 times. That will be approximately 100 million people ready to spend on most of the urban infrastructure. So we need to build high-class infrastructure and services in our new cities. And that's what GIFT offers. It offers the space for living, it offers space for working, it offers space for leisure, it offers space for social infrastructure. It offers cost efficiency in terms of the urban living, in terms of transportation, in terms of energy, in terms of access to social facilities. You can walk to your work, you can walk to park, you can walk to your leisure spaces. And it has everything that a modern city or a smart city like Singapore can have. And the idea is not to replace an existing urban center, but the idea is to create a new nuclear for urban growth outside the existing urban spaces. So it has housing facilities, it has technology in terms of the internet, communication and technology. It will have tier 4 data center, it will have the modern leisure spaces, and it will have artificial water body of approximately 1.5 kilometer length. In terms of transportation, you don't have to walk more than 300 meters, and even that would be facilitated by the travelators within the city. It will have 4 metro stations. The entire external connectivity is being developed from 3 external connectivities are being provided by the state government. The existing BRTS system is being extended. So there is a lot of commitment from the state government to build a new city of this type. It will also have the social facilities and health and safety facilities. The entire municipal function is being promoted or handled by the public-private company formed between ILFS and Government of Gujarat. So this will be one of the first or one of the few cities in India where the municipal functions will be run by the public-private partner company. Easy access to talent, because though we have a lot of population, the industries, the high-end industries or the skilled labor industries are facing the labor challenges. And we have created a new initiative here. In last 5 years, we have trained almost 1 million people in various industries. And this initiative will facilitate the industries coming into the cities. We will have a skill development center here, which will facilitate the industry in recruiting people and training them so that the industries do not face manpower crunch. In terms of the current status of the project, we have completed the project development phase. We have commenced the implementation of the project. The phase 1 of infrastructure is being already launched. The first 1.5 million square feet of commercial development is already halfway through. By August, the first building will be ready for occupation. Also, another 2.5 million square feet is in the pipeline, and it will come up in next 2 years. So the city will be up and running in next 3 to 4 years. It offers opportunities in many facets. It offers opportunities for technology companies to come and facilitate the infrastructure development. It offers the infrastructure developers to come and do the infrastructure on PPP basis. And it offers opportunities for the tenants to come and do business here. Thank you.